Alright, here's how to get a golf cart tire off without tools. First, you take a mini chainsaw or a sawzall or something, cut that off. Then you're gonna get a screw, put it through here. Make sure you have washers. You definitely need washers, it's not gonna work. You don't need any soap. Make sure you don't hit your valve stem. Look at that. Freaking crazy. And you just pop those off. That one side.
I might just take a rope. In this case, I don't have any rope, so it's a hose.
Alright, so you put the rope in there.
Actually, rope would be better than a hose.
Here, hold the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. No, hold it right here. And look at the tire. Ready? Okay, nice.
Are you farting?
Yeah, hold the camera here. Shoot. I might actually need some soap for this. No, actually. No. Just brute force should do it.
So?
We do need soap. Alright, so the problem with this is you really only get one shot. Maybe if you wrap it around twice, you get more shots, but you need to pull really hard to the outside. And you need to kind of sit here. So you're not actually like zipping it around, you're actually using it as a pry bar. Like this. See? And then you gotta make sure the other end doesn't pull. All right, ready for this? Last part. Look at that. It's done. By the way, this is not worth your time. Pay you 35 bucks for a tire shop. Last time I tried to do it with tire spoons, I ended up, cheap Amazon tire spoons, I ended up destroying the wheel. So don't use tire spoons. They're only for steel wheels. Okay, this method is not working. All right, I can't get it to go, so I'm gonna take the valve stem out. You can use needle nose pliers if you don't have this tool.